Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a discount coupon code video. In this video, I'm going to reveal a special discount link which is mentioned in the description of this video along with two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discounts. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Hostinger, one of the world's famous industry's most popular hosting company, and I'm here with their amazing discount deals over here specifically exclusively for my audience because been using it from the last 4 to 5 years and my experience so far is very good, and which is why I'm recommending it to my audience as well. So scroll below, you may see around over here Hostinger reviews. Hostinger is an amazing company with 58,000 reviews on TrustPilot, and TrustPilot is one of the most industry independent review website. And if you look around at the reviews, the majority of the reviews are very good, and look around this review, really amazing. I had an auto renewal activated, so very good. The best hosting provider I had so far. So 5 star, 5 star, 4 star, 5 star reviews. So almost everyone praises them. And the best thing regarding Hostinger is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. Hostinger is also being recommended on TechRadar, Cyber News, Hotdevice, CNET, Forbes, PC, and these were one of the reasons, which is why I opted for Hostinger. So scroll below, you can create your website within minutes through their Hostinger custom website builder. Hostinger, if you want to create WordPress website, they have a WordPress tool as well. And if you are coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated website migration service. So they are going to handle all of your issues regarding website transfer, and that too free of cost. Hostinger also come with Hostinger or Horizons, which is their AI tool. You just have to give the command and it's automatically going to create a website for you. And right now, 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm one of them as well. 20 plus of experience, 10 million plus websites created, and I'm one of the customers as well. And my experience so far is very good. Never had any downbreak or downtime as well. The support is very good. AI tools, AI updated, plus the tools advancement is very good, and the best thing is that the Hostinger plans are very economical. These are the Hostinger plans. All of the plans come with 30 days money back, and you can cancel anytime. If you directly want to land on these plans, once you click on the link in the description, simply select the start over here, and you will be landed over on all of these plans. So I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 91%. So you have to watch this video in full. But before you offer any plan, my recommendation is to go with view all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan features function before you're going to select one. If you ask me, I recommend the premium and business plan. They are very good, and the business plan is going with 79% off. Simply select the choose plan over here, and I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 91%. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either the discount coupon code as I'm going to tell you. So right now the special deal is running right now with 3 months free hosting with a 48 months plan, which is why I recommend people to offer the 48 months, guys, because these prices won't appear again. These are one-time exclusive price for my audience, so take the maximum out of it by opting for the 48 months discount deal. After this, you can write your free domain over here. The free domain is only valid for the first year. So I'm going to give you an example. You can also get a free domain later on as well through the control panel. But if you want to get it, simply select over here, write it, and then just make it for 1 year, so you do not have to pay anything additional for your domain. Now your 48 months plan is over here. You can see your plan over here, and after this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing discount code which is mentioned in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another discount code as well, so you can use either of the discount code. It's completely your preference which one you want to use, but both of the discount coupon code is going to give you equal additional 10% discount. So once you click on the link in the description, you're getting 79% off on 48 months plan. You're getting daily backup of $100 free of cost. You're getting $56 discount buy for 3 extra months additional hosting. You are not being charged for your domain name as well. No icon fee and additional 10% using either of the discount code to get your hosting, making it as much as up to 91%. It's basically more than 91%. Do your math yourself. After this, simply select the continue. You may be asked to log in or create your new account at Hostinger. After this, you can see your order summary over here. Your discount is loaded over here. Write your billing details over here at Hostinger. Now move on to the continue, and once you write your billing details, now select your payment method. Hostinger offer you write your payment method, guys. You can pay via PayPal, card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. This is a very good thing regarding hosting. You can choose any as per convenience. Once you simply select the submit payment, within few minutes you're going to get an email from hosting with all of your account details. So just for a revision, click on the link in the description, use either of the discount code and follow the step-by-step tutorial as I told you to enjoy your amazing hosting discount code deal. So good luck with your hosting from Hosting. Good luck.